Unpacking the flavor of words, spicy kick. Hello, and welcome to our channel where learning English is not only educational but also a lot of fun. Today, we're going to delve into a tasty expression that's often used in English, spicy kick. If you love food and language, this is the perfect combo for you. Get ready to add some zest to your English vocabulary and understand how to use this phrase in different contexts. Spicy kick is a phrase that combines two words, each with its own flavorful meaning. Spicy refers to something that has a strong, pungent flavor, typically derived from spices. It can also metaphorically describe something that is exciting or lively. Kick, in this context, means a sudden, noticeable effect or impact. So when put together, a spicy kick describes a strong, pungent taste that suddenly hits you when you eat something. In the culinary world, spicy kick is often used to describe the experience of eating a dish that has a burst of spiciness. It's that sudden hit of heat you feel in your mouth that can be both surprising and delightful. For example, when you try a new type of salsa, and it's hotter than you expected, you might say, "Wow, this salsa has a real spicy kick to it." Moving beyond food, spicy kick can also be applied to non-culinary contexts to describe anything that has a sudden, sharp effect or adds excitement. For instance, a piece of music with a particularly energetic part might be described as having a spicy kick. Or a movie with an unexpected plot twist could be said to have a spicy kick in its storyline. Now, let's see how to use spicy kick in a sentence. After trying the new ginger tea, Lisa mentioned it had a nice spicy kick that warmed her up. The action scenes in the latest superhero movie really give a spicy kick to the whole experience. And that wraps up our little adventure with the phrase, spicy kick. We hope this video has been as enjoyable as a dish with just the right amount of spiciness. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add some spicy kicks to your English conversations. See you in the next video, and keep loving learning.